Look, I've just done a brand new install of for a Sandpit site, so that we can start to get a bit of centralization, a bit of project management, and trying to get yourself in tune with, or in tune, just starting to feel a little bit comfortable as we build your site and show you how to create some pages, maybe change some menu names down the track, something where you can have a little bit of ownership of yourself. So this is just a default, what we call theme. Okay, now I'll come back into the dashboard area for the moment. Alright, so you've got these different areas just as a drop menu, and there's certain elements that you do and don't need. Before I get too carried away, but just as the screen's refreshing, there's a heck of a lot of options, or rose-colored glasses available with WordPress. It's been open source, means it's effectively free, and there's just a whole gamut of products and services available. Now, in the appearance area, when we sort of, if I go back to the site, it was very black and bland. So to change that, we'd start to actually talk about a different theme. Again, like I say, there's a gazillion themes available. It's more about the feel associated to the site. But for us, as we move forward, we wanted to be working towards a quality site for you. We want to be able to put in together the right feel and touch, but also from Google's point of view, we wanted to be able to understand speed and what Google likes to make a user-friendly experience. For that, we chose to go with the Genesis theme, and we've now standardized around the Genesis theme and optimized press. And there's two reasons for that, but I'll come back into that for a moment. Now, we want to add a new theme, and I'm not really showing you to overdo it, but we basically go into add a theme, browse, and I'm going to be able to load one of these up from my desktop. Now, I'll just pause for a moment. Okay, so what I wanted to do was just start to look for my standard themes library, and be able to sort of then, with the Genesis, we actually have two levels, so I'm going to just drag that in there for now. Well, I think that, yeah. Okay, so now that's there, we can just go and install that. So while that's installing, it's pretty easy. It's relatively speaking quite an easy program to use once you've got your the basic understanding. Now Genesis is a 2 level, so I'm going to have to do another install here. So I'll just pause. I'll do that, and then we'll get going again. Okay, so I've just installed the Prowse theme. Now Prowse is pretty user friendly. You get a lot of easy options, and it's quite a relatively speaking, neat, tidy, jobs done site. What that's going to do is it's just giving us a little bit of a what I'll call a blingy area, and sort of something neat and tidy. Now, there's been different people want different things, so I accept all of that. And what we want to do here is actually start to look at creating menu items. So we've got menu items there. I'll come back and I'll finish it. In the dashboard area, we can start to create or add in new posts and new pages. See here, so I'll close off for this video, and we'll take it to the next step in a moment. Alright, I'll speak to you on the next one. Bye for now.